Hi, made it back from the store. Part two of the broke my blinds, fix my blinds, repair my blinds, or replace, or hang a curtain or drape. We're going with the curtain drape thing. I've taken the blind down from here and we have put it up. We have put it up over here. Okay, functioning blinds in the living room, minus the broken one on the couch. Okay. Now we're gonna mount. Now we're gonna mount this rod up in here and hang some curtains I bought. Don't know about the curtains, undecided, they might go back, but we'll get the rods mounted, the rod mounted, and see how it goes. Okay, so that's what I'm up to. That's what I've been doing. Knocked you off the table. You were with me. Watched me install that blind over there, but knocked you off the table. Stopped my recording. All the things. So I'll finish mounting the one bracket up here. It's really fucking dark up there, man. Put my headlight on. Because it's a useful item. And I need to see what the F I'm doing. I'm just getting flustered and flustered. Probably a pre-drilled. Come on, Betty. You can do it. Tight fit, tight squeeze, I know. One swell at a time, eh? On the screw. Come on. I need you to cooperate with me. Please. Oh, I'm so close. Okay, one ringy dingy. Yeah, and my headlight. Comes back for me. Oh, because it was a useful item. Okie dokie. Next is the middle one. No, the holes that had blinds in, there's only one screw. Yeah. I could just get more room on the ends, it would go as smoothly as this one. And 2. Whew. 1 more. It's proving to be a little bit of a challenge. Oh, nice headlamp. Like, nice deal, man. Thanks. Do I care? No. No. I don't. Okay. One last one here. I mean, I feel like 3 little packaging, 1 would have suffice for 3 to hold, because I understand wanting to contain it in there and all that, but excessive. Can I buy the item without the packaging? Can I? Oh, you're way in there. Oh, fickin'. Oh, fickin'. All right, then. More stuff in the way here. That might be too far in. Okay, hang on. I gotta straighten that there. Okay. Now, 1 more, hey? 1 more. See my anchors, or my latches, my hooks. It's way in there, that one. Anyhow. Good grief. Am I okay? I don't know. No. So, well, wooden spoon my granddaughter was playing with when she was here. Okay. Come on, shaky. Couldn't believe the storm here last night. The house was shaking. Thought the winds were gonna push my slide in. They were so strong. One point the cat thought I should let her outside. She didn't feel safe in here, but I wasn't letting that happen. No, sir. Come on, puppy. Hard on the knuckles, these little spaces. But to freaking die. So now for my next trick. I guess we should put some curtains on a rod. granddaughter's favorite thing for a year old. Oh, excuse me, pardon me. Well, I fight my way through. Okay. All right. So this is what I chose. I don't know. It says they're light filtering. Okay. So, get it in your head. It's in my head. Get it in my head was the way the curtain should go on. Said Rod. I was hoping I would never, I should say never, I was hoping I wouldn't have to deal with curtains again in my lifetime. So I was, you know, because, well, I just was digging the blind thing, you know. You know? Don't you know? Let me see if I can't. Put that up in there like that. Maybe this one here like that. Hate it already. It's okay. Something new, right? Well, I suppose I have to visualize it all together here. Come on. You were there once. And get you there again. What? Patience is a virtue. Not mine. There we go. I may or may not have a bunch of crap stuck behind the table here. In the way. For a second here. Okay. Okay. Let me step back and have a look. I don't know, man. I don't know. It might take a minute to get used to it. But alright, we'll drop behind my table. I have to move all that stuff. Find another home for it. But I suppose as long as I can for the most part close out the cold and the hot sun. I suppose that's what matters, eh? I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Oh, maybe I'll give him a day. I'm just looking to see if I could take this off and leave that. Anyhow, that's me. Another repair. At least we got the blind back up in there, and I have some covering over my windows to keep the cold out. Because look, coming up to 3 o'clock coffee time, and that means that the sun is setting soon, and the temperatures will drop, and I need to block out the cold. So, yay me, maybe. I don't know. I'm undecided on that. Let's just look at it for a second, okay? I mean, it's not horrible. If I were to take those side pieces, these, off, perhaps the flow would be better. Wouldn't be so nicked, scrunched, right? But it's not terrible. It's not horrible. They would probably hang better here, but this one is such a short one. And do you think they sell anything shorter than a 63-inch length? Like, WTF, right? Not all of us have full-length fucking windows in our houses, you know? Anyways, the blind repair, switch out, whatever you want to call it, is finished, I guess. If I change it up, I will let you know. I'll give myself a minute to get used to that different. I mean, it's been 4 years of that clean, and now drapery. It's not horrible, right? Take a minute to adjust. Turn this light out now. Okay, so curtains mounted. I thought the bedroom one I could take, right, and leave blinds here and put. It's only 24. These are 36. Yes, it's okay. I have a feeling this will happen all the way through, but I might even end up taking the side piece off. Start ripping my house apart. Not a good idea, right? It would just be on this one, on this window for now. And if any more blinds go sideways, well, then we'll slowly do this all the way through, I suppose. Anyway, that's my FUBARs for the day. I'm going to clean up my mess here, in here, and make coffee. That one's cold. It's from this morning's cup. It's cold. I'm going to make fresh pot of coffee and put my plants and stuff back. You know, this is what I knocked over, this full one of water. That's what went all over the house, but I'll put those back over there by the lamp and clean up my messes. Get stuff put away, get coffee made. Think about making up some personal meatloaves. I take a pound of hamburger and I make a bunch of meatloaf, individuals, and then it's like grab and go meals. Oh my gosh. So I do them crash bang in these little bits. So 1 pound gives me 4 personal meatloaves. And I think I'll make up some of that. Took the hamburger out. Yeah, it's thawed. Yeah, I got it in the fridge overnight yesterday. Took it out yesterday. Yeah, so that's me and what I've been up to on this fine Sunday afternoon. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you're looking after yourself first and foremost, self-love. And yeah, and just go forward from there. Remember to look after you. Keep your inner being content. Forgive yourself for your mistakes. Keep moving forward. Your life's journey is exactly that, just growing. If you make a mistake, don't beat yourself up, you know? Tell yourself you're only human and carry on. Forgive yourself. Yeah. Anyway, peace and blessings to each and every one of you. May your day be full of grace and love and all the things. Have one. See you.